Scrolling feels good because it gives your brain exactly what it wants in the moment: distraction, novelty, and tiny hits of pleasure. Every swipe brings something new, and your brain loves new things. It doesn't matter if it's funny, shocking, emotional, or completely useless. The fact that it's new is enough. That small moment of curiosity releases dopamine, the chemical that makes you want to keep going. So your thumb keeps moving, not because you're enjoying it deeply, but because your brain is chasing the next thing. The problem is, scrolling doesn't give your brain satisfaction. It gives stimulation. Satisfaction comes from effort, meaning, and connection. Stimulation comes from speed and quantity. Social media gives you hundreds of moments in minutes, but none of them last long enough to feel complete. It's like eating chips when you're hungry. They taste good, but no matter how many you eat, you're still not full. That's why after scrolling for an hour, you don't feel relaxed or happy. You feel tired, foggy, and strangely empty. Scrolling also feels good because it helps you escape. Bored? Scroll. Stressed? Scroll. Lonely? Scroll. Avoiding something important? Definitely scroll. In that moment, your brain feels relief because it doesn't have to sit with discomfort. But relief is not the same as healing. The moment you put the phone down, all the feelings you avoided come rushing back, sometimes even stronger. That's why scrolling calms you temporarily, but leaves you emptier afterward. Another reason scrolling drains you is comparison. Even when you're not consciously comparing, your brain is watching other people's highlights: better bodies, happier relationships, more exciting lives. Your brain doesn't fully register that this is edited and curated. It just feels like you're behind. So while scrolling gives short pleasure, it quietly creates dissatisfaction. You feel entertained and insecure at the same time, and that emotional confusion is exhausting. The emptiness comes from the lack of completion. There's no end to scrolling, no natural stop, no sense of achievement, just more content waiting. Your brain never gets the signal that says, "Okay, we're done." So instead of feeling satisfied, you feel overstimulated. And overstimulation feels a lot like emptiness: low energy, low motivation, and low emotional presence. The truth is, scrolling feels good because it's easy, fast, and effortless. But it leaves you empty because it asks nothing from you and gives nothing real back. No growth, no depth, no connection, just noise. And your brain, deep down, craves meaning more than it craves entertainment. That doesn't mean scrolling is evil. It means unconscious scrolling is costly. When you start noticing why you're scrolling, boredom, anxiety, avoidance, you slowly take your power back. Because the opposite of that empty feeling isn't more content, it's presence, real conversations, real rest, real boredom, real effort. Scrolling feels good for a moment, but a life that feels full is built offline, one intentional moment at a time.